Mastering the plus sign. Learning addition in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting English lesson. Today we're going to dive into the world of mathematics, but in a fun and interesting way. We're focusing on addition, specifically how we use the plus symbol, plus, in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and use the addition symbol confidently and accurately. The plus symbol, plus, is used in mathematics to indicate addition. But what does addition mean? In English, addition means to combine two or more quantities to get a new total or sum. For example, if you have 2 apples and you add one more, now you have 3 apples. In terms of math, we would write this as 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now let's see how we can use this symbol in a sentence. When we use the plus symbol, plus, we usually use the word plus in our sentences. For instance, 2 plus 1 equals 3. But remember, we can use other words too instead of plus to denote addition. Some of these words include and or added to. For example, you can say 2 and 1 make 3, or 1 added to 2 gives 3. Now let's look at some common phrases and how we can represent them using the plus symbol, plus. She has 2 cats and 1 dog. This could be written as 2 cats plus 1 dog equals 3 pets. I read 5 pages in the morning and 4 more in the afternoon. This could be written as 5 morning pages plus 4 afternoon pages equals 9 total pages. Understanding these sentences and how to transform them into mathematical equations is a great way to practice your English and get comfortable with the concept of addition. Well, that brings us to the end of our lesson on the plus symbol and addition in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to use these new skills in your daily life, and soon enough, you'll master them. Keep adding up your knowledge, and you'll see your English skills multiply. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.